Only 4 in the world. Chel snakehead, one of the exotic fishes of aquarium paradise.
A rare fish once thought to be extinct has been found again in India. Scientists have confirmed the return of the Chel snakehead in the Himalayan foothills. The fish had not been officially seen for nearly 90 years. It was last recorded in 1933. For decades, experts believed it had vanished forever. Researchers say the rediscovery happened in 2024. 3 fresh samples were verified from the Chel river system in West Bengal's Kalimpong district. This confirmation surprised scientists across the world. The Chel snakehead is scientifically known as Channa amphibus. It is the largest known snakehead species. The fish is known for its bright green body and yellow stripes. Despite its striking look, it managed to stay hidden for decades. Wildlife biologists say local communities played a key role. Residents had been catching and eating the fish for years. They were unaware that the species was considered lost. Their knowledge helped guide researchers to the fish's habitat. Experts explain that the Chel snakehead survived quietly in fast-flowing mountain streams. It lived outside scientific records but not outside human contact. This shows how local knowledge can support conservation science. Conservation groups have welcomed the discovery. They say it is a small but meaningful victory for biodiversity. The finding has renewed hope for protecting rare freshwater species. However, scientists warn that the challenges remain serious. Freshwater habitats are under constant threat. Pollution, dams, climate change, and invasive species continue to damage rivers and lakes. Experts note that freshwater covers less than 1% of Earth's surface, yet it supports more than 10% of all known species. This makes its protection especially urgent. Researchers now plan to study the fish population. They will assess the health of the Chel River. They also aim to work closely with local communities to prevent future loss. The story of the Chel snakehead is being called a rare moment of hope, and a strong reminder that protecting rivers today can save species tomorrow.
The place is really good, more than what I was expecting, because a couple of years ago when I was here, it was really different. And I like the variations of fishes that they have, the breeds that they have got, and they're really amazing. The eel and the sharks, and really a good work. I love it.
What is like the best part?
The architecture that they have built across, they've put it very close to green, like a forest, wildlife sanctuary, like the Amazon forest we have, with greens and the water around. They've actually made it work, so I like it. I like the way they have put all of the nature come together into the realistic life. So
Is it worth coming here?
yes, I think it is. I will give a second visit again, for sure.